Hi guys! Hello there for today's video guys. This is my simple outfit for today. My simple fashion for today guys. I really love this. Ayan. My yellow dress guys. I really love this. This is my outfit for today guys. Ayan. Regalo to sa akin ng aking friend guys. Ayan. Regalo to sa akin ng birthday. Ng birthday ko guys. Ayan. So, ayan. I really love it. I, I really love it, guys. So, I need so hot here in the Philippines, guys. It's very hot. It's so hot, just like me. It's very hot. So, I need to put a lotion, guys. Ayan. Yung kind of lotion na ginagamit. And this is my collagen lotion. I really love this, guys. Ayan. It makes my skin smooth and can whiten my skin. I really love this. Ayan, ito lang yung lotion na ginagamit ko guys. Ayan, for my skin. This is my sun protection guys. Ayan, because it's so hot here now in the Philippines. I need to put a lotion every day, even if I'm here inside at home. I need to put a lotion because ayan, it's very hot. It's very hot inside the house. Ayan. The smell guys is very sweet. Smells so good guys. Ang bango ko na. So yummy. Ayan. Ang sarap. Ang sarap amoy-amoyin guys. Smells so good. Ayan. Smells so good guys. So yummy. Ayan, so yummy guys. I really love the lotion guys. Ayan, look. Ayan, as you can see, my skin guys is very smooth and very ayan, gumanda na nga yung aking skin guys. Ayan, ayan, pumuti na. Ayan, because I use this my collagen lotion. Anti-aging to siya guys, a body lotion, anti-aging. 10 times collagen. 10 times collagen content siya guys. Ayan, it can replenish your skin. Ayan, collagen moisturize and rejuvenate your skin. Ayan, and soft, easy to absorb. O, diba? Ang ganda. And then, soothing smooth. Ang smooth niya sa skin, guys. I really love it. And this price is very affordable for only 350 pesos, guys. I really love it. O, diba? Ayan, I recommend this lotion, guys. A collagen lotion at 10 times. 10 times, ayan. 10 times, collagen content. I really love it. So, ayan, I'm finished guys. And look, ayan, I feel so beautiful today because of my dress, my outfit for today. I really love it. Bye.